Look at this beautiful Stein. From, is it Budweiser? Yes, it is. Animals of the Seven Continents series, Asia Stein. We see the beautiful panda in the front. Oh, this is a great find. Oh, there's even a tiger. Okay. Oh, and a gorilla. Looking on the back. This is from their Asia Stein series, and Anheuser Busch is proud to present this third edition in the Animals of the Seven Continents series, showcasing three impressive animals of Asia. This recently portrayed in their natural settings. This 10.5-inch tall ceramic relief Stein, handcrafted by Sarah Marte of Brazil, features three beautiful illustrations by artist Jim Turgeon. You read the rest. It says 1999 in Anheuser Busch, St. Louis, Missouri, my hometown. It says each edition in the series is limited to 100,000 steins, so it's definitely a collector's series. Without further ado, let's unbox it. Wow. Okay. This is so old that the top fell off. All right. Okay. It's better be in prime condition though. At least it's properly wrapped up. Can't complain about that. Okay, what's this for? Oh, I think that's to protect the top. Okay. Let's bust it out of here. Wow, this is a heavy Stein, guys. Very heavy. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. Wow. This is amazing. This is quite heavy. 10.5 inches tall. Ceramic. And look at this. You got the world in here. China. I don't see a USA though. Well, this is the Asia series. So this, they see all of Asia. It says animals of the seven continents. On the top, you got this crane. All right. Oh, wait. There's something in here. Oh, it's a certificate of authenticity. Collector edition. Check it out. Anheuser Busch is proud to certify this genuine handcrafted Stein as a limited edition collector Stein. Sequential number on this base. Let's see what we have though. But let me show you what the inside looks like first. The inside, see, it's got that ceramic, so it's fragile. That's nice ceramic. Budweiser edge embossed on there. And right here it says we have third in the series 7, there's 8,510. All right. All rights reserved. 1998. Wow, St. Louis, Missouri. Check it out how beautiful this is. You got the gorilla. Look at it. It's embossed too. A panda. And then a tiger head. And then the handle itself is like carved, looks like a wing on there. Wow, this is truly a piece to show off. I mean, and I forgot about the pink Asia leathers too. This is something you need to show off in like a cabinet in the dining room to show off like over the fireplace. Wow, this is truly beautiful. So this is actually for my wife. All right. And I think she's gonna love this. She might complain it's a little bit heavy though. But check it out. I was also able to find this National Guard. So Budweiser, I don't know if they still produce this anymore, but these steins are definitely beautiful. Get yours today if you're lucky to find either one.